We have the Lexus ES speakers out of the car here. These are factory speakers. We didn't even call a dealership. They're from Pioneer to see how much they would like, or how many hundreds of thousands of dollars they would like for this. But we're going to go in with our cutters, and at the back we're going to cut the metal braid from the connector internal to the connections on the speaker itself. And we're going to see how long, if we can keep these connections long. Then we're going to take our plastic cutters and go along the inside of this speaker, and we're going to cut the plastic frame out that holds this speaker in place. We've done this with the rear speaker as well. You can see how we've gone around and cut all the plastic pieces that hold this speaker grill in place, and then we turn around and took our razor blade and cut the cone and foam surround from the plastic enclosure as well. This speaker will release from the framing once you have all the tabs around it cut and released. There we go. That removes the rear portion, and we're going to take our razor and cut along the edge of the foam surround on the speaker to open this opening up. This will remove the frame. We can clean this up, and we're checking our connections here at the back to make sure we could have enough wire here to hook up to the existing wires. We can line it up right here so that they correspond. Positive and negative seems to work in this one with another Kenwood speaker, and we have our leads there to connect to the connector here on the front. We're going to line that speaker up, take 4 self-tappers and bolt this speaker in, and we should be set to go to bolt it back in and use the existing wires and harness and mounting plate in the vehicle. Hope this has been helpful. Please subscribe, see our other videos for speakers and car stereo, and thank you for watching.